How to start a garden maintenance business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a garden maintenance business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Before diving into the steps, let's quickly outline what a garden maintenance business entails. As a garden maintenance service provider, your main responsibilities will be to maintain and care for the gardens and outdoor spaces of residential and commercial properties. Now, let's jump right into the steps to get your business up and running. Step 1: Research and Planning. The first step is crucial: research and planning. Take the time to understand the market demand in your area, identify your target audience, and analyze your competition. Conducting thorough research will help you make informed decisions and develop a business plan that aligns with your goals. Remember, your business plan should include details such as your services, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as your roadmap throughout your entrepreneurial journey. Step 2: Setting up your business. Once you've completed your business plan, it's time to move on to setting up your business. This step involves registering your company, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and setting up your financial systems. Consider consulting with an accountant or business advisor to ensure you meet all legal and financial requirements. Additionally, it's essential to invest in liability insurance to protect yourself and your clients in case of any accidents or damages during your work. Remember, professionalism and credibility are key to attracting and retaining clients. Step 3: Acquiring equipment and supplies. To deliver exceptional garden maintenance services, you'll need the right tools and supplies. Start by creating a comprehensive list of the equipment you'll require, such as lawn mowers, trimmers, shovels, and other gardening tools. Consider both manual and powered tools based on the size and scope of the gardens you plan to maintain. Additionally, stock up on essential supplies like fertilizers, mulch, weed killers, and other gardening products. Build relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure you have a steady supply of quality products. Step 4: Building a client base. Now that you're prepared with the necessary groundwork, it's time to start building your client base. Utilize various marketing strategies to reach potential customers. Create a professional website and optimize it for search engines to increase your online visibility. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your work, engage with the community, and run targeted advertising campaigns. Additionally, consider offering promotional discounts to attract initial clients and encourage word-of-mouth referrals. Network with local real estate agents, landscape designers, and property management companies, as they can provide valuable leads and collaborations. Step 5: Delivering excellent service. Congratulations! You've secured your first clients. Now, it's time to provide exceptional garden maintenance services that leave a lasting impression. Communicate effectively with your clients, understand their needs, and tailor your services accordingly. Always strive for professionalism, punctuality, and attention to detail. Remember, consistency and reliability are vital. Your clients should trust you to take care of their outdoor spaces, so deliver on your promises and exceed their expectations. Happy customers will not only become repeat clients but also refer you to others. Starting a garden maintenance business can be a rewarding journey for those passionate about gardening and willing to put in the hard work. Remember to continuously improve your skills, stay updated with the latest industry trends, and embrace opportunities for growth. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, Please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.